So today I'll be teaching you guys how to make a face cream for a dark skin. This face cream does not lightening, does not do anything to the skin. The only thing it does to the skin is to glow the face and make it look beautiful. This face cream is for only dark skin. If you have a light skin, you don't want to use this because it's not going to give you any results. This is my base cream. I have 50 grams of my base cream. If you don't have a base cream, you can alternate this with your Dr. James cream. You can buy Dr. James cream from the market, and you can also request for a base cream from us. We sell base cream if you need one. So the first thing I'll be needing is my base cream, which is 50 ml of my base cream. The next thing I'll be adding is my oil. I'll be adding my lightening oil. This, like I said, this is not going to lighten the face. It's for dark skin. This lightening is just so it can at least give a touch of effectiveness on the skin. This lightening cream, this lightening oil I'm adding is not going to make this face cream lightening your face. Like I said, it is for dark skin. I repeat, this cream is for only dark skin. It is not going to lighten your face. It is going to maintain and glow your face. It is going to maintain and glow your face. So the next thing I'll be adding is my lavender essential oil. It is very good for the face. Just a bit. I'll be adding just 1 gram of my essential lavender oil. I'll also be adding my carrot essential oil to this. Be adding my carrot essential oil to this. Yes, I'll also be adding my turmeric essential oil to this as well. All what I'm adding is just 1 pinch. Yes, 1 pinch of my essential oil. You don't want to add too much essential oil when you're making your product. So I'll be adding 1 gram of my vitamin E oil as well into this. Just 1 gram of my vitamin E oil. So the next thing I'll go ahead and do is to add my aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is something that is very important in this as well. You need to make sure to add it to your formulation. So I added just 1 gram of aloe vera gel as well. So I'll go ahead and mix this very well. Go ahead and mix this very well. Like I said, this is not going to lighten your face. This is just a simple DIY. You can use this during the daytime, during the night time. It is not going to darken your face either. It is only going to moisturize and give your face really flawless, look beautiful. For dark skin, please, you can see how beautiful it is looking. You can see how beautiful it is looking. This is a face cream that can be used by dark skin, like I repeat, dark or chocolate skin. It is going to leave your face evenly. We all know what turmeric does to the skin, and we also know what carrots does to the skin. So this is going to make your face look so beautiful and flawless. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm begging, please subscribe to my channel so whenever I drop a new video, you will be updated. Do not forget, we do skincare training, online training, advanced class as well. So if this video was helpful, thank you for watching my video. I'll see you guys in my next video. And however, like I said, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. This cream looks so beautiful, so much that I feel like licking it. It looks so much like an ice cream. Yes, this cream is looking so yummy. You can see it's looking so yummy. I'm making this for one of my siblings because she needs a face cream and I'm just out of one, and I just needed to make this for you guys to see it. Isn't this beautiful? Thank you very much for watching my video. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Peace.